everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's video, I will tell you about the video call problem in your device Galaxy M13. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the video call, like you are unable to make the video call or any other video call related issue, you can fix it following the few steps and tricks I will tell you in this video. So before we move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch my video and you will learn how you can fix the video call issue in your device. Let's watch it.